Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me this file, and I'm not 100% sure what he's trying to do, but he wanted to put a space, a blank space again between the corn and the two initials. So our logo is 5.2 inches large, so we're going to change our nudge factor just to like 6 inches. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill that in, and we're going to nudge it over 1. Then I don't know if these contours are separated, but let's zoom in here and click on this interior one and nudge it out of the way, and it worked. Then select all this and just weld, and then put your engraving back. Now, I don't know if he's trying to cut this out, but you would need to change that to a hairline and actually turn it red, which you can do right here. So that would cut out and leave the corn in there. But if he's trying to make it all engraved, then he would want to go with a little bit thicker line, and I'm working with 17, and I very seldom work with 17, so you would use the color over here. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.